Does the Gupta program help with sleep-related problems, insomnia? Yes. Now, you may ask the question, why is insomnia associated with so many chronic conditions? And there's actually a very simple answer to this. When your brain believes it's in danger, that your very existence is under threat, why would it let you sleep? Right? It wants you to try and find a solution to the situation. It wants you to be up all night researching and figuring this out. But the brain doesn't realize that that is part of the problem, that it's over anxious about your physical state and therefore is interrupting sleep. So in our program, as we look to regulate your nervous system, as we look to retrain your brain, patients notice that eventually their sleep does gradually come back to normal. And for some people, that's earlier in their retraining. For others, it's later in their retraining. But through the different tools and techniques, sleep is one of the most important factors in enabling your body to heal itself. There's a lot of healing that occurs with deep sleep, and that's often what we're missing out on.